Hello everyone, I'm going to brief about the digestive system of chickens in this video. Chickens have a distinct digestive system than mammals. The esophagus transports food to the glandular stomach, where it is biochemically processed by pepsin at pH of 1.5 until 3.5. Muscle contractions in the gizzard then literally decompose the food into tiny particles. First, food is taken in with the beak, which is ideal for pecking crumbled or pelleted feed, tiny grains, grass, or insects. Chickens are omnivores, which means they can eat meat as well as vegetation. Esophagus transport food from the mouth to the stomach. Mucous glands in the esophagus serve to lubricate the passage of food to the crop, where it is temporarily stored. Food is softened and pre-digested in the esophagus by enzymes such as pectin, found in saliva, and enzymes from other tissue such as amylase type from the duodenum and proventriculus. Then, food travels from the esophagus to the crop, an expandable storage compartment at the base of the chicken's neck where it can stay for up to 12 hours. The food trickles from the crop into the chicken guts, which can be proventriculus or gizzard, where digestive enzymes are added and the food is physically ground. Food is bathed in stomach juice. Hydrochloric acid and digestive enzymes are here, kicking off the process of nutrient breakdown and the formation of the food bolus, which then travel to the gizzard. Because acid levels in the stomach are below the optimum levels needed for it to function, the enzyme pepsin, which conduct proteolytic activities in the proventriculus, is also produced in the gizzard. The gizzard is why chickens do not need teeth. It is a muscular part of the stomach that grinds grains and fiber into smaller, more digestible particles using grit, which is small, hard particles of pebbles or sand. The food passes from the gizzard to the small intestine, an organ distinguished histologically by the presence of villi, which complete protein digestion through the secretion of intestinal juices and digestive enzymes such as aminopeptidase, amylase, maltase, and invertase. Another function is to absorb the nutrients in the digested foodstuff so that they can enter the bloodstream. And finally, the small intestine provides peristaltic action. The small intestine is divided into three sections: the duodenum, the jejunum, and the ileum. The pancreas is a gland that secretes amylases, trypsins, lipases, and carboxypeptidases. Although bile is made in the liver and secreted in the duodenum to aid in the breakdown of fats, it is actually stored in the gallbladder. Undigested food is fermented in the ceca, a pair of passages that the ileum opens into and that are emptied every 24 hours. The large intestine, a portion of the digestive system that runs from the junction with the ceca through the colon and terminates in the external opening of the cloaca, absorbs the water and foods that are not digested in the small intestine, such as non-starch polysaccharides. The absence of a bladder in chickens is one of the most notable distinctions between people and chickens. As a result, the kidneys eliminate all urinary pollutants in the same way that they do solid waste. The vein-like cloaca, also known as the vein, is where all waste exits a chicken. That's all from me. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.